Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku. This is level 35. Let's start. Alright, we need to collect 10 cats. We have 2 now. Let's try maybe there.
Nice!
Alright. Okay,
Great.
the green one. Alright, now we need 6. Maybe let's try there.
Perfect!
Alright. Okay, now we need 5. Let's try the yellow one.
Excellent!
There. Okay. Alright, now we need 4. Let's try the orange
Amazing.
one there. Yes. Alright, now we need only 3 colors. We have the green one.
Unbelievable!
Alright, 2 more to finish. Brown
Unbelievable!
is there. And the last one is here.
Unbelievable!
Alright guys, thank you for watching.